Caribbean Examinations Council CXC exams have been delayed by 3 weeks. This announcement was made at a press conference on Wednesday. CXC Registrar Dr. Wayne Wesley says the decision was made during a special joint meeting of the School Examinations Committee SEC and the Council.
The Caribbean Examinations Council stands in solidarity with the region and the international community as we grapple with the impact of COVID-19 on our way of life. The Council recognizes the impact of COVID-19 on the education system in general, and more specifically on the schedule of CXC's regional examinations. At a special meeting of Council this morning, the governing board of the Caribbean Examinations Council, which is made up of governments from across the region, was held today, following feedback from regional ministries of education on the timing of the 2022 regional examinations. Members of Council reviewed and reached a consensus on the recommendations for CXC's Schools Examination Committee on the strategy for 2022 regional examinations. After careful deliberation and consideration of all the pertinent issues, Council agreed that the revised strategy for the 2022 regional examinations shall be as follows: a delay in the sitting of the regional examinations by 3 weeks. This will provide candidates with additional time to prepare for the examinations. Therefore, examinations will commence on Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022.
The Ministry of Education in Jamaica had been appealing to CXC from as early as January for postponement of the regional examinations. This sentiment was also echoed by the Caribbean Union of Teachers and local teachers unions in Barbados. In seeking the postponement, Minister of Education Favour Williams says she sent a correspondence last Friday seeking a meeting with Barbados' Minister of Education, Kay McConney, in her capacity as chairperson of CARICOM's Council for Human and Social Development, after several appeals to CXC to delay the exams since January went unheeded. Dr. Wesley notes that teachers have been given 2 more weeks to submit grades for student-based assessments to CXC, and the results of examinations will be released between late August and early September. This change of heart comes as a surprise to some, as 6 days ago, the regional examinations body had no intention of changing the exam schedule.